What's up, everybody? Cadillac Mack here, and today we're going to be unboxing this VD-12 G2 Skar Audio 12-inch subwoofer. It's supposed to be a shallow mount subwoofer, as you see on the box. When you see me unbox it, you're actually going to see how deep it is. You got all the specifications on the side. You got a 12 high-power subwoofer, shallow mount design, cone, competition grade paper. Surround material is foam, 2-inch voice coil, 500 watts RMS power. You got the resonance frequency, which is 35 hertz. The sensitivity, 86 decibels. And you see right there it says shallow mount. So that's why I bought it, because I was originally going to put it in my semi-truck, and I didn't want it to take up a lot of space, because you know that's kind of like my living room. So you don't want to have to step over a huge speaker. And when I was looking at the pictures online, these are the pictures right here, I was kind of like skeptical, but I was like, let me buy it anyway, because it doesn't look like your typical shallow mount speaker. But I'm like, you know what, let me just get it anyway. And I saw some custom reviews down here, and everybody seemed to be talking real good about it. So I was like, all right, I'm just gonna order it. And this is where I ordered from. I ordered it directly from Skar Audio website. You go to specifications again. You can see stitched high roll foam surround, 2-inch voice coil. There's a recommended enclosure specifications, recommended seal volume, 1 cubic foot. And that's really what caught my attention. I don't have to have a giant box to make the speaker sound good. Don't worry about the sale. Skar Audio is always having a sale, so if you didn't catch this one, they always got one. Inside the box, you got the usual. You got a Skar Audio sticker. Put that on your window, whatever. You got the user's manual brochure, which also comes with the information for the 8-inch version and the 10-inch version. A lot of cardboard in the box, which is good. Make sure your speaker arrives and no dents or dings or holes in it, which does happen. Now, no matter how expensive the piece is, you never know with shipping and handling nowadays. Speaker feels good. It's got a good weight to it. The surround feels good. It's sturdy metal. Basket's nice, super high gloss finish. But as you see, this is not exactly shallow. It's about 6 to 7 inches deep. So it's not shallow at all. It's like a regular speaker size. It's not a huge speaker either. So I mean, I guess it's whatever. Terminals look good. They're not the biggest. You're not gonna put a huge wire in here. But then again, this speaker is not the biggest either. So you don't really need a huge wire. Here's a close-up of the tinsel leads and the spider, if you will. Looks pretty good size. It's another shot of the magnet. And the magnet cover, the chrome magnet cover. You got the Skar Audio insignia on the side, just for looks. A couple air holes all around the basket for venting. Another shot of the tinsel leads. Here's a close-up. These tinsel leads are spring action, which most of them are, but the springs feels real sturdy. It gives you a good amount of resistance, so you really don't have to worry about the wires coming out or coming loose with the vibration of the subwoofer. Here's the dust cap, stitching all around, which I personally like double stitching on a speaker. For some reason, just the glue alone makes me nervous, so I like when I see the double stitching around the inside of the enclosure like that. On another note, here is the box that I also purchased offline to go with the Skar Audio 12. I'm gonna show you where I got that in just a second. First, let's look at this box real quick. This box has basically the identical same terminals as the Skar Audio speaker. Hard spring. It's got the felt surround. Built pretty sturdy. This is where I got it from, this website right here, Rockville Audio. Rockville Audio, they sell, this is not sponsored by the way, but they sell all type of stuff. They sell actual speakers, enclosures, amp and sub packages. I mean, they got everything basically. They're like a one-stop shop. So what I did was I just went to their boxes and I just scrolled down and I just looked for the cubic feet, because they tell you the cubic feet on each of their enclosures. So you could literally just go to the Skar Audio website, look at the box specifications, and just pick one of these. I think this is the exact one that I picked if I'm not sure. But I mean, they got enclosures for 212s, 215s, solar barracks. truck boxes. They got all type of boxes in there, and they're not the prices are not bad. You could break the bank on a box. You could spend a lot of money on a box or a custom enclosure. But like I said, I just needed something for my truck, so that's what I got. Here's the inside of the box. Now, I ain't gonna lie, the caulking job on the inside could have been a little bit better, because you can see right there where they kind of missed the line. But that's something that I could fix myself, which I did. I just got some caulk and just sealed it up. Made sure the inside of the box was airtight, and I was good to go. But yeah, so when you get it, just check it out for yourself. Here goes the speaker going in. It fit like a glove. I didn't have to do no extra trimming or nothing. It just slipped right in. Now let's take this box outside and hook it up to an amp and see what it does. This is a speaker hooked up in the car. Let me turn this on. I got the bass knob turned to about 25%, not even. So if you can see, it sounds pretty good. And if you're wondering what I'm listening to T-Pain's Pizzle Pack. It's a lot of royalty-free music that he produced, that he put out there for YouTubers to use as background music. Not necessarily to rap on for free, but I wasn't trying to get copyrighted. So I'm gonna turn the bass knob up, and then I'm gonna put the volume up too, because the volume, I don't have the volume up on my stereo at all. Alright, now I'm gonna play a Drake song. Hopefully I won't get copyrighted. That I know sounds good on this, because I've been listening to it for a second on here. Just so you could really see like the power of this speaker. Yeah. Alright, so that concludes my review. This speaker gives you a lot of bang for your buck, man. I got the sun right in my eyes, y'all gotta forgive me. But you can see the motion in the ocean with this thing, and I'm in an SUV, and when I tell you, people who sit in the back seat of this shit are uncomfortable. They're uncomfortable. And it's not crazy expensive, it's actually affordable. So, that's my review. Like, subscribe. I'm Cadillac Mack, I'm out.